Hello everyone, I hope this season is treating you well. Flowers are suddenly blooming and the sun is warm and the days are long again. Art is a way that I remind people that little simple things are as important as the big ones. I have been painting with watercolors for as long as I can remember, and I have not been interested in painting anything but fairies and bunnies and flowers. I have tried to make it a goal of mine this year to try to paint some more because I don't always prioritize it, and yet I have always loved watercolors, and I encourage all of you, if you are thinking about trying to get a little creative, that this could be a really good option. It is one of the most environmental friendly options for paint, and something about the use of the water and the brush strokes is so calming. This sort of painting is what makes me attracted, and it's really good exercise. I thought I would share a few things that have helped me, but firstly I must say that it's a perfectly good thing to rest and do nothing productive with your time off. Quality rest that help us feel better the next day. We might sometimes feel shame for taking time just to have fun or take a nap or simply waste time by other standards. However, if you are truly wanting to change your lifestyle a bit and unsure where to begin, maybe these ideas will help. I have been wanting to work on these things for quite a long time, and I just haven't felt quite up to it, so I'm glad I got it done today. In order to manage stress, improve your memory, or feel better, it may help you form a habit. We may be in a different situation someday, and we can embrace our growth and make what smaller changes are possible right now. Perhaps just start with one small step for me. I have been working on all day today, and I have been enjoying it so much. If you or your kid have a heavy cough, this is the super simple home remedy. Is great for treating your throat. This could actually help soothe a cough and may offer some benefits for your immune system. Creating coffee and clove candle is more than just a craft. It's an experience that blends artistry with practicality. These candles promise not only to illuminate your evening, but also to protect your gatherings from pesky insects and enjoy the satisfaction of making your own aromatic insects repelling candles. The practice of carefully utilizing your time is no doubt a virtue that can help improve your life. However, I think the definition of productivity should be expanded. Take time to laugh, invest in a relationship, sleep, and take care of your mind. Our days are often governed by the clock. We are constantly aware of it from the moment we wake until bedtime. How we spend our time is of the utmost importance. Many of us seek to better manage our time so as to not run out of time. This homemade coconut oil is excellent for reducing effect of diabetes and promote digestive health, improve heart health, and also used for skin and hair caring. It's great for moisturizing dry areas. This is the same coconut oil that we buy at the pharmacy and paying lot for. What you are doing, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. You maybe try a new craft or hobby this week, or just try to do something a little bit different that you usually don't do. Maybe just spend a little time writing down how you feel in a journal, or going on a walk, or learning something new, and let me know if there's any other topics you would love me to cover in a video, and I will see you very soon. Sending so much love. Goodbye.